Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing ADB and permissions so you can access /data securely. Connect the device, enable USB debugging, and confirm a DB device is listed. Install platform tools if missing, and make sure you understand whether you need root. Root grants full /data access, while run as lets you access a specific app's data directory. Once done, open a shell with a DB shell, because you'll use commands that require elevated or app-level permissions to copy files into the protected data area. You now perform the middle steps, transfer and move files into /data. If non-root, a DB push to /SD card, then a DB shell and run as com. Example: app to gain that app's UID. Once inside, create target folders with mkdir and copy with cp or use tar to preserve ownership and permissions. If you have root, a DB root then a DB remount allows direct a DB push to /data. Make sure to set correct ownership with chown and permissions with chmod, so the app can read the files. You finish by validating ownership, permissions, and behavior so the app uses the files reliably. After copying, run chown to match the app UID and set chmod appropriately. Private files often use 600, public files 644. Then LSL to confirm and restart the app or service, because many apps only reread data on start. If something fails, check SE Linux denials with dmesk or logcat. Adjust contexts or use restorken when available. This single troubleshooting tip usually reveals
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.